Hello, estate owners. I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintakla, and for today's touring, I'm going to show you a 3-bedroom unit here in Tuscany Private Estate. So this unit spans 106 square meters. So let's start. Upon entering to the unit, so this is your hallway. On this side, pwede kayong maglagay ng shoe rack. Yan. And then meron din tayong outlet din dito for saksakan in case may gusto pa kayong ilagay. And then we also have, of course, the intercom. So pag meron kayong concern sa lobby or if you have package and visitor, so madali nyo silang makakontakt. And over here is your kitchen area. Yeah. So this is your spacious kitchen area. Over here is the location for your fridge. Yan. So meron din tayong cabinets here. Yan. So we also have stainless steel sink. And over here is your, yan, dito yung main switch nyo. And of course, over here is provision naman if maglalagay kayo ng oven. And then meron na rin tayong, yan, nakaabang for, or meron na rin tayong exhaust dito in case na maglalagay kayo ng range hood. And over here is meron na rin tayong utility area. So dito na rin yung location for your washer and dryer. Yan, so ito siya. Yan, meron din siyang saksakan. And meron ding toilet dito. Yan. So, yeah. So, let's continue. Over here is your first bedroom. So ayan yung first bedroom. So, the floor in this unit is made up of ceramic wood planks. And, meron na rin kayo, of course, window. Yan. So, yan. So, dito may view kayo ng McKinley Road. Yan. So, and meron na rin tayong built-in cabinet dito sa first bedroom nyo. So, ayan yung cabinet natin. And, of course, dito sa first bedroom, it can fit a queen-size bed dito sa first bedroom nyo. So, spacious na rin siya. And now, let's proceed to the living area and dining area. So, dito, pwede nyo ilagay yung dining table nyo. So, approximate 5 to 6 seaters in your dining area kasi sobrang lawak niya. And over here is your living area. So, pwede nyo ilagay dito yung television nyo dito sa living area. And pwede pa kayo maglagay ng malaking sofa. Yan. And of course, ang gusto ko dito is meron na rin siyang window. So, marami siyang bintana. So, that's why kahit hindi kayo mag-aircon, so mahangin dito sa unit nyo. And of course, proceed naman tayo dito sa master's bedroom. Yan. So, here is your master's bedroom. So, meron din tayong window and meron na rin siyang balcony in your master's bedroom. So, dito kayo sa balcony. Yan. So, here is your view. And in your master's bedroom, so it can fit a queen-size bed din. And ang dami niyang bintana. Dito may bintana rin and on this side. And in your master's bedroom, meron na rin tayong built-in cabinet. Yan. So, ang dami niya sobra. So, we have 5 doors built-in cabinet and look at your toilet and bath. So, meron tayong bathtub na kasama. Yan. So, hotel type yung toilet and bath nyo dito sa master's bedroom. Sobrang ganda niya. And, over here, so punta naman tayo sa third bedroom. Yan. So, ito yung third bedroom nyo. Of course, meron pa rin siyang bintana. So, and meron na rin siyang provision for your aircon dito. Yan. So, malawak din siya. It can fit a queen-size bed. And of course, we also have a built-in cabinet in your third bedroom. And bukod sa toilet nyo, toilet and bath nyo in your master's bedroom, meron din dito sa living area. So ayan. So, ito yung ating toilet and bath. We have mirror, of course, sink, toilet, and um, itong shower. So, dito pwede kayong maglagay ng partition if in case na gusto nyo siyang palagyan ng glass partition. Take note guys, we have a promo here in Tuscany Private Estate for only 385,000 down payment. Pwede ka na makapag-move in 3-bedroom unit. So, sobrang sulit and si Tuscany Private Estate lang ang nagpo-promo ng ganito ang kababang down. The end of our tour, if you have question or inquiries, feel free to message me on the details shown on your screen. Again, I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Wintakla. Thank you for watching. Bye!